We are doing decimals, adding and subtracting for the review for the quiz or test tomorrow. So the break didn't help us, but anyway, here we go. We have almonds, peanuts, and pistachios, total weight of the nuts. So we're going to add those, just line them up at the decimal. You can annex a 0 there if you would like, just to keep it even. 5 plus 5 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 15. Carry my 1. So that would be 6.5. And this is pounds of nuts. A lot of people doing this morning. They put 0.5 way over here. I just put the 5 over here, and so their answers was a little bit wrong. So make sure you line up the place value. So it's just 0.5, just annex a 0. Expression, the value of the expression, 86.1, 24.99. A lot of people did not line this up properly as well. So line up the decimal. And some of them just did 0 minus 9 and put a 9 there. We cannot take 9 from 0, so we have to regroup or borrow. So it's going to be 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 61 and 11/100ths. Next, the sum. Sum is addition. So I'm going to line them up. It does not matter which one is on top since it's addition. Annex a 0 under the 4 just for alignment. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry my 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 20.44, no label on that because it's just the sum. Mr. Licata bought a 12-pack of Coke for $5.99, a bag of Cool Ranch Doritos for $3.49. He gave the cashier a $20 bill to pay for the items. How much change did he get back? So most of the kids would add the two items they bought first together. $18, carry my 1. And they got $9.48. And then since we gave them a $20 bill, a lot of the kids struggle with this one. I'm going to take a $20 bill. I'm going to minus my 9.48. So I'm going to put my decimal there, add my 2 zeros. Okay. Some of them just wrote 8 down here. 8 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 9 minus 0, and then brought down the 2. We need to understand that we cannot take 8 from 0, so we need to borrow. We cannot borrow from the 0 or regroup, so we're going to make that. So I regrouped all the way to the 10 spot. I took 1 10 away and made 10 ones. I'm going to take that away and make 10 tenths or 10 dimes in this case, but that doesn't give me any pennies, so I need to cancel 1 dime and give me some pennies. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 1 minus 0, so it's going to be $1.52 and change. I did have one kid that just took $20 and minus the $5.99, and then $20 minus the $3.49. And so that you could also do it that way. We did not take into taxes, but taxes not included. Next, Miss Brogan lives 400th miles from school. Miss Forrest lives 8/10 miles from school. Draw this medal to find which is closer. So one way you could do it is draw. That would be 1 mile away. So we're going to do 8/10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 8/10. So that would be 8 of these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0.8 or 8/10 would be this section from here over. And four of those, so that would be putting boxes in the first rows of first 4 rows. So that's my 4/10, and I need one more for the hundredths. So then you could figure out I have 3/10 and 9/100 left. So your model would look something like that. These would probably be shaded just a little bit because that's what you started with. 0.39. What equation? So we started with 0.8 and we minus 0.41 and you get 0.39. Another way, since it's distance, what you can do is have a Vollrath house and it's 0.8, and a Brogan B house is 0.41, and then a school, and then you're trying to find the distance from here. So that would be our distance. So that would be the 0.39. Dr. Meshke's weighs his hockey bag. It weighs 15.6. His gym bag weighs 3 98/100. What is the total weight of both bags? Total weight. So it's going to be addition. Since we're addition, we can annex a 0 here. And that would be pounds, or total pounds, probably what I would put. Total pounds, both bags. Dr. George has 3 pieces of ribbon. The length of the ribbons are, what is the difference in the length between the longest and the shortest? So first thing I would do is line these up. So let's look for the longest, so that'd be the highest number. They both are 600. So this one has a 6 in the tens column. So this one's going to be the longest. Next, I need to find the shortest. 643. This one has a 4 in the tenths, so this one is the shortest. I need to find the difference, so I need to subtract the lengths between the longest and the shortest. So I'm going to put 667.23 on top. My shortest is 643 43/100. And then I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 4 cannot do. Regroup. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 23 8/10 ribbon. That's the difference. So next, the relationship. Our expression represents 23.5400, 23 and 5400 plus 3.2. I need to insert index to 0. Standard algorithm with addition, 26 and 74 hundredths. So now I just need to see which one of these would work. 25, that would not work. 23, 54, 26, and 74 hundredths. So that would work. 23, 54, 23, 1, 2 tens, 3 ones, nope. 5, 10, 4 ones, nope. We need 2 tens, 6 ones, 7 tenths, 4 hundredths. So those both answers will work. Miss Stith has $9. She earns $12.50. Then she spends. So we're going to add up how much she has now after she earned the $12.50. And she has $21.50. And then we need to subtract $4.99. She spent $4.99. 0 minus 9 I cannot do. I need to regroup. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 9 I cannot do. 14 minus 9 is 5. 0 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So I should have 6. She'll have $16.51 left after she buys the cottage cheese. And the last one. Decide if each equation can be used. 35, 49 hundredths minus 79 and 86 hundredths, which can be used. So we don't even have to really do the problem. So what we could do is find out what n is and then plug it in there and see if it works. So let's do that. 3, 5. So 1763. So that should be the answer for n. So if I put a 1763 hundredths in there, minus the 17, the answer should be close to 0. So that's not going to work. So if I do 15.49 minus 17.63, that would work because it's the inverse operation. Take the larger number minus this will give us that. That will work. This 17.86 plus 17.63, add those together, give us the correct answer. 35 plus 17 would not give us 17. So these are the correct answers. So practice up tonight. If you would, like and share my like and subscribe if you haven't already. And practice up for tomorrow. All right, good luck.